So your high speed needle down in here, and you got your mid speed and your low speed over here on this side. Hey guys, I'm Red. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna mess with my Revo here. I'm gonna explain the OS 11K car, man. I look all over the place and I haven't seen nobody do anything like this on them. Find stuff online, but so your high speed needle down in here, and you got your mid speed and your low speed over here on this side. You got your idle gap. Your idle gap, same. It's a 1 millimeter down inside. You know what I mean, down inside there. The high speed though, you turn that all the way in, right to where it stops. So you ain't got to bury it. It's just right lightly where it stops. Bring it back out. Comes out between 1.5 to 2.5. You just gotta tune accordingly. Same thing for the mid speed. Turn all the way in and it comes out. It's gotta come out 1.5 to 2.5 turns. You gotta tune it accordingly depending on your air and everything around where you know what I mean, depending on where you're at. This the low speed over here, same thing. Turn it all the way in. Bring it out in between 1.5 to 2.5. They say, some of them say that to put it flat with this, but I mean mine, they're all right around 2. Brought them all out right around 2 and then tuned them accordingly and got it to run from there. But that's pretty much all I got. Thanks for watching.